Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video we are going to see how you can fix WhatsApp last seen not showing problem. The first thing that you should be doing is checking if you have a good internet connection in your phone. So for that you can try loading different websites or you can try googling something. The second thing that you should be doing is checking if you have hidden your last seen. So for that you have to open WhatsApp, click on three dot options here, go to settings, click on accounts, click on privacy, go to last seen. You have to select either everyone or my contacts. So in this way you can show your last seen, and remember, if you are not showing your last seen to people, then you will not be able to see their last seen. So this was the second method. For the third method, you need to see if your app is updated or not. For that, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp here. If you have any pending update, then it will show up here. If you have any, then click on update, and after few seconds it will get updated. So close this. If you still are unable to see the last seen of anyone, or then probably the other person have hidden his or her last seen from you. So for that you have to simply ask them to show their last seen. But if that is not the case, then the last thing that you should do is go to the settings, go to help, here click on contact us. Here you can describe your problem. After that click on next. So these were the methods with the help of which you can fix WhatsApp last seen problem. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.